Hello there, good morning, student. Today we are going to talk about another sound in English. So I'm going to introduce this and I'm going to teach you why is this sound important. First, this is a very important sound in English language by far, and this is very common, very used in spoken language. So um, this is second. This is very important because you can first improve your pronunciation, and then you can sound more natural in speaking English. So this sound is has a very particular and very interesting name. It is called the schwa. So why is this very difficult for Spanish native? Because this is in Spanish we have five vowels, right? So it's the same as in English, like A, E-I-O-U, right? But in English has approximately 12 sounds for the five vowels. They have more sounds than in Spanish. We have just five vowels and just five sounds, but in English has approximately 12. And in all the phonetic in English has 44 uh, phonetic sounds. So it is quite difficult for Spanish to pronounce this sound because we don't have this sound in our mother tongue. So we need to learn it and we need to practice um, with with some words and listening. So first, I'm going to to show you this picture about the position of the schwa in our mouth, right? As you can see, the schwa is in the middle of the position of our mouth, and it is pronounced with our tongue. Okay, all of the vowels in English is pronounced with the tongue, right? So, but one of the positive and interesting thing for this sound is an stress sound, right? It's like you are in a imagine that you are in a relaxing place doing what you really like it and you say oh, okay. So you're going to listen this sound. Oh, oh, oh. See? Can you see? It's very relaxing. It's an stress, but it it can sound difficult. Maybe people don't understand, but it's very um it's very understandable at the same way. So we can find this sound, the schwa, in different words. So as you can see, um, divide the schwa sound into different words in English. For example, I know you have seen these words before, but maybe you haven't pronounced this in the correct way. So let's see the schwa. You can see this sound written and you can pronounce it. For example, the most common words that you can see the sound, the schwa sound is the word which ends e r o r or a r. For example, singer, soldier, sailor, error, regular, right? Can you see the in the ends of these words? So also we can find the schwa sound in the words which ends in able and able. So let's listen. Impossible, available, sensible, incredible. Uh, uh, that's the schwa sound. Also, we can find the schwa sound in the word which ends in ion. Okay, like information, emotion. And also, we can find this schwa sound in the no stress words, of course, because it's an unstressed sound. But we can find in the vowels, in the different vowels in English, like animal, banana, curry. So here we are going to find an activity that you can do in your house. Take a piece of paper and do it. Put in some common words that we already seen. And here we find some sentences that we use to do in our everyday conversation. For example, do you wanna go to London? 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 Can I have a banana? Can I have a banana? What do you wanna do tomorrow? What do you wanna do tomorrow? As you can see, we can sound very natural or fluent in English, right? So that's why it's very important that you learn this sound, the short sound, because it seems to be difficult, but it's very understandable, right? So this is some conversation to complete, and you can do it too, right? And you here you're going to choose. Okay, thank you very much, students. Bye bye. See you later.